They called guys like us war dogs. Bottom feeders who make money off of war without ever stepping foot on the battlefield.
All the money is made between the lines.
Fuck nice. Who cares about nice? I've been looking to bring somebody on for a while now. The problem is, I don't trust anyone. But you're my boy.
I mean, no offense, but I'm against this war. Me and Iz are going to rallies and signing petitions.
Yeah, dude, I'm against the war too. I fucking hate Bush. But this isn't about being pro-war. The war is happening. This is about being pro-money.